everyone, my name is Nikki and we're here in the beautiful Ubud, Bali, Indonesia to give you 5 poses that will help you unblock your root chakra. And if you want to do a full flow with these poses, I have a video linked below that has a nice, easy, gentle sequence with all of these poses included. So make sure you check that out after this. Let's get to it. Pose number 1. We're just going to start in an easy seat. So you're sitting cross-legged, raising your spine to the sky, pulling your whole body so that it becomes in a straight line. And then just getting comfortable here, inhaling and exhaling and rooting down. Our root chakra is so important in the stability and security and the grounding of our being. So we want to make sure that this chakra is unblocked and free-flowing. So as you're in this easy seat, just imagine you have roots coming down out of you and grounding yourself. And any of those worries that are floating up here in space, we're letting go of them because we are so rooted down to the ground. Just taking a couple breaths in this nice easy seat. And you can stay here for as long as you want. This is a really great way to unblock this root chakra. Just sitting in a nice easy seat and imagining that red root light coming into this pelvis area. And just grounding yourself down, taking a bunch of deep breaths. And repeating the mantra, I am stable, I am secure, I am grounded. So you can keep repeating that as you sit in this easy seat. Let's get into pose number 2. Pose number 2 is going to be our low yogi squat or malasana. So you're going to bring your feet towards the outsides of your mat and they're going to be at a 45 or 60 degree angle. You're going to squat really low, and if you can't get here, that's okay. You can place your hands wherever you need to kind of help support you until you have that strength in your muscles to get into this malasana. We're going to press our hands together if you can, and then bring your upper arms towards the inside of your thighs here, and just hanging out here in this malasana pose. We want to make sure that our weight is in our back of our foot, so you can wiggle your toes to ensure that your weight is distributed correctly. This is a really grounding pose, and it's really great for your root chakra. Awesome work. We'll come into pose number 3. This will be warrior 1. So we're starting at the top of our mat, grounding into our right foot, stepping back with our left foot, and our foot's going to be at a 45-60 degree angle here in our back leg. Our right knee is bent, front knee is bent, as our left back leg is straight, engaging your thigh here, and both hips are facing forward. You can stay here, you can bring your hands up overhead, and you can clasp them together, keeping your pointer finger and thumb out if you wish. Again, really grounding. Imagine yourself grounding, rooting down into the mat, and just finding that inner strength here in this warrior 1. I am strong, I am stable, I am secure. Really great mantra for your root chakra. We can come out of this and switch your legs here. Again, bending into your front leg, engaging your back thigh. Back foot is at that 45-60 degree angle. Arms can come up overhead. And just Seeing how strong you are here. You're a strong warrior. Amazing work. Pose number 4 will be our humble warrior. So we just did our warrior. So come into your warrior pose. And then clasp your hands behind your back, opening up our chest. And then dropping your chest down so that your shoulder's on the inner thigh. This is a great pose to open up your chest, but we're also rooting down. We're getting close to the ground so that we remain grounded and open at the same time. When you're ready, you can come on up. Switch this out. Warrior 1 on the other side. Make sure you're even, clasping your hands and bringing your shoulder down onto the inside of your thigh. Good work. Grounding into all 4 corners of your feet. When you're ready, you can come on up so that we can come into our 5th and final pose for our root chakra. It's going to be our wide-legged forward fold. So bringing your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Toes are facing the long edge of your mat. And you can bring your hands to the small of your back to help protect you as you lean forward towards the ground. You can stay here, or if you want, you can bring your hands towards the mat and just go as low as you can. Good. Really great pose to stretch your hamstrings. And as both of our hands are on the ground and both of our feet are on the ground, really rooting and grounding into the mat. Imagining that red root chakra light lighting up the base in between your pelvis. You can hang here for as long as you want, or you can pop back up nice and slow and bring your feet together. Awesome work. Those are the 5 poses that will help rejuvenate your root chakra so that you're free-flowing and that you are unblocked. Again, remember to repeat the mantra, I am safe, I am secure, I am stable. All of those things will really help to make sure that you bring stability and security into your life. Again, if you want to practice a longer flow with me with all of those poses, the video is linked below. And I would so appreciate if you enjoyed this video, please like and comment so I get your feedback, and subscribe and click that bell button to get notified of more videos that I have coming to my channel. I have loved guiding you, so thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Namaste.